Do you see how stupid is it to think that money doesn't really buy you happiness? When you're successful, when you provide more money for your family and for yourself, then you don't have any restrictions. You survive better. You do better in life. You provide for your family. My mom gets sick, I can help her. She was in the hospital, I can provide for her. She gets into some kind of difficulty, I can help her. That's what it does. Like, if you are not surviving, money doesn't buy you happiness, and you are broke, right? And you don't make enough. Then if something happens in your life, you don't have that. You have to restrict and stop yourself from that. Just work out for your brand how you make a difference. What is the purpose of generating money? So you can have freedom. People keep on working on things that they like when they have money because they love them. Nothing else but that. So the purpose of producing money is to be able to actually live the life that you want to live and play the games that you want to play. Guys, that's just something that is so logical and at the same time so powerful. When you realize that the reason that I work so hard, I really like my job, right? So I love doing this. I love talking to people. I love doing seminars. I love teaching. I love building businesses because I'm a walker, right? I'm also building my own businesses. But also, I love the idea of having independence, of being able to provide for my family and for my church and whatever is needed along the way without any barriers, okay? Like, I am an overnight success, but what you don't know is that I've been working my ass off for the last 4 or 5 years, nonstop, putting my head down and doing some things nonstop to make myself better along the way. Guys, the money is in the list. That's a reality. The more people that you actually have on a list, the more you can sell. It's quite logical, right? I think that viewpoint of like, money doesn't buy happiness is kind of like a loser mentality in reality, guys, because I can tell you one thing, I'm happier ever since I've had money, but it's not the money that makes me happy. I mean, it's not the dollars, right? I don't think it's not a consideration for anybody because the dollars, they don't really make you happy. But what does make you happy is the fact that I don't have any restrictions, okay? Meaning that if I want to buy myself a nice car, I buy myself a nice car. I actually want to get myself a Tesla, I buy myself a Tesla. If I want to go to California, like I just did right now, and be in the first row watching one of the biggest stars in Latin America, Luis Miguel, even though I'm paying thousands of dollars for that seat, I do it. That's what money buys me, right? It buys me the ability to do whatever I want.